Hey there, Nate Anderson with Service Trucks International Tiger Cranes Service and Warranty Department. Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about general maintenance tips for your STI service body. First we'll talk about the pressurization cabinets. Each one of our trucks is equipped with a pressurization fan to keep the dirt and moisture off of your tools inside the compartments. This here is a filter that should have been cleaned or changed prior. This here is where the pressurization filter is located underneath the PVC cap. There is a hose clamp. You loosen the hose clamp and pull this off, and this nut comes loose and you can separate this filter from the cap. This can be changed or replaced. You can buy a K&N filter cleaner from your local parts store or call us to have the filter completely replaced. Another thing we often get asked is how often you should change your hydraulic oil. We have a 33-gallon hydraulic reservoir in the back end of our trucks, along with an oil filter directly underneath of it. We recommend changing that at 500 hours or 6 months, whichever comes first. If you have any questions, we can be reached at 800-225-8789 or contact us on the website at servicetrucks.com.